Now to new developments in a story making national headlines. The truck driver charged in a deadly crash on the Florida Turnpike made his first court appearance today in St. Lucie County. Reporter Rachel Williams joins us now from outside the St. Lucie County Jail with more about the new charges the driver is facing.
Harjinder Singh was originally charged with 3 counts of vehicular homicide, but now he's facing 3 additional charges of manslaughter. Judge Lawrence Sweet ordered that no bond would be set. But let's talk about what happened leading up to his first court appearance on Saturday morning.
This was avoidable. This should have never happened.
On August 12th, tragedy struck on the Turnpike. Harjinder Singh is accused of making an illegal U-turn with a tractor trailer in St. Lucie County, killing 3 people in a minivan. After the crash, he fled to California, where officials say he illegally entered the country in 2018. His legal status led to a battle over responsibility between Florida Governor Ron DeSantis and California Governor Gavin Newsom.
We're going to hold this guy accountable, 100% criminal charges, and he's going to be in prison for a long time.
In a press conference on Wednesday, Ron DeSantis announced Lieutenant Governor Jay Collins was heading to California to extradite Singh back to Florida.
I hope and pray that California gets their stuff together and the voters are listening, where your governor, your leadership cares more about American citizens and Californian citizens rather than making laws that support illegal immigration, that put people's lives at risk.
Investigators said Singh failed a language test, only answering 2 of 12 verbal questions and identifying just 1 of 4 highway traffic signs. This is video of authorities bringing Harjinder Singh into jail on Friday. The next day, he made his first appearance in front of Judge Lawrence Sweet through a translator,
where the court found vehicular homicide qualifies as a forcible felony. This court further finds that based on review of the sworn complaint affidavits, there is proof by preponderance of the evidence that the defendant is an unauthorized alien. Therefore, sir, I'm setting your bond on each charge at no bond.
State and federal officials are still investigating whether Singh is in the country illegally and how he was allowed to get behind the wheel. We're also learning about his brother, who was in the truck during the crash, has also been arrested by ICE. Singh is being held here at the St. Lucie County Jail with no bond. But for now, I'm in Fort Pierce. Rachel Williams, WPBF 25 News.